Morena and good morning from the corner shop. Yes, leaves stripped off by the wind there over a lot of the property. I've started sweeping up the ones on the concrete in front of the house where I've got my little bits and bobs where I often work and pot things up. I'm just trying to get things a bit tidier this morning, and might make some of you more urban dwellers laugh, but I was dusting outside and I moved one of the containers I've got here in this little corner shop section. And what did I find? Well, I'm going to show you, because I was quite surprised because I didn't actually notice what it was before I dusted it. It's one of our stick-in sets. Isn't it amazing? And the reason that I didn't notice what it was is because it is just so realistic. I'm not quite sure whether or not they hibernate, so what I'm going to do is go inside and look on Mr. Google or Mrs. Google and see if I can find out whether I should just put it back where I found it, i.e. over there in one of the containers, or if I should go and put it in a on a plant. I suspect that it may very well be like the hedgehogs. Come winter, it's looking for somewhere to spend a few warm, dry months. So it may be going back in the little foyer entryway here. You have been warned, and just by way of instruction, be careful when you're dusting outside. Well, I hope you enjoy your day. Take care, and if you're in somewhere that's going into autumn or winter, keep warm. Bye now.